Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace.
My name is Lois.
This video today is about design. So we are showing you what we intend to do. We officially have started working on this project.
We've settled on a one-bedroom space. The spaces we have included is 2 sitting areas, kitchen area, a bedroom area, which during the day it's a sitting area, and a shared bathroom and toilet. So this is our first sitting area, and the design was supposed to be a moving house. So we decided to retain the driver's seat and the passenger seat to try and balance out the space. So as you can see, this is the first sitting area, and we are going to renovate these seats to a swivel seat so that we can have like a breakfast area here. And also we are thinking of renovating this front part so that we can have like books around here and a bit of like a small corner area that you can come and relax during the day. So as I was saying, this area, we had an idea of having books around here and breakfast, like a coffee station around here, and also take advantage of this huge window for the environment and the views and the light as well. So this area is going to remain intact and just do a bit of renovation. Next to the sitting area, we have the shared bathroom and toilet, and because this space is a bit squeezed, we decided to have the partition from here going to this area so that we can have enough clearance space for someone to access on this area and pass through the other spaces. And behind me, in front of me, is going to be a closet. So in this space, we're going to have our toilet here facing this direction, and then we're going to have our shower directly on this area, and our door, which will going to always be open, just to open up the space. Plus we've also decided not to cover any of the windows to allow for natural lighting in this, since this is a small space. So next to the washroom, we have a gallery kitchen. It's going to be a long kitchen. Then next to the kitchen, we're going to have another sitting area, which during the night turns to a bedroom area.
So because of the limitation of space, we've decided this would be a 2-in-1 kind of space. So we'll have a sitting area as well as a convertible bed area. This space will convert into a sleeping area as well. Now we have opened the back door, and so reason why we've decided to make it a convertible space is so we can have an access, a direct access from the main entrance all the way to the back entrance. So now let's go outside. We show you what we've done so far.
So we've shifted the ladder from the back to this side because of the door we've opened at the back, and this door is going to be a double door. This ladder leads to the roof deck. So this was the original space that we had for the rooftop deck, and we decided to cut it from this area and extend it all out to create more space for sitting area. And we might also decide to add solar panels.
So we have done a bit of modification so far. So part of the modification we've done is this bit. The initial piece was this. So this is basically gone. We've removed this, and now we have replaced it with a piece of metal from containers. Containers are made out of cotton steel, so it's quite useful to have it here, especially now that this is a space that will be exposed too much to the weather. We've used the same material to cover the inside. This bit has also been replaced by cotton steel metal sheeting, and we've used the same material all the way to this face and the other face. Now this is an old bus. Part of most of its metal component that was exposed to weather, we could not work with it. So for it to at least extend its lifespan, we've had to replace that bit with it. We have so far ripped most part of this interior, starting from this roof extension. This bit is also gone, so it exposes the naked bit of the bus. Now before we do anything to this, maybe the next thing we'll have to do is spray paint the interior to control it from further rusting, and now start on our wiring and all the other details. But before we do anything else, we'll have to at least take care of the rusting and at least prime it. The next video will be more on our works, because now we start seriously working on the bus. If you've not subscribed to this channel, this is the best time to subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please like and share. Let other people join us in this journey. Until next video,
Bye.